The things we need for this project are poster paper or any kind of thick paper, watercolors, a brush to pick up the paint, and some water and a straw.
So the first thing that we need to do is get some watercolor on your palette and then add some water into it to make the paint really wet. And we chose 4 colors. And if you have a dropper that you can use to pick up the color and drop onto the paper, that would work. But since we didn't have it, we are going to use a brush for it. So I'm going to start with the yellow. And I just drop some paint of yellow with water onto it. Like this. And then I'm going to use a straw and then blow into it. So when you blow, it goes in one direction. So whichever direction you want to do, you can blow in that direction. And then you have to let the paint dry. Now you can do this repeat this with as many colors as you want. Then use a straw and try to blow it. So keep adding paint as much as you want until you are satisfied with it. So as you can see, as the colors get filled up, it looks prettier. We did have a little trouble in the beginning to blow the paint. I think now we get the hang of it. Just have fun with it and make all the rainbow colors that you can think of. And that's about it for this painting.